Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market today. Today, we're shining a spotlight on what we believe to be the best LED ditch lights available, the Auxbeam XP Ultra Series 3-inch 80W Spot Flood Combo Ditch Lights. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone looking to improve visibility during those foggy nights, these lights promise to deliver an exceptional experience. Let's explore why these lights stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Each package comes with everything you need: 2 LED pod lights, 2 interchangeable covers, 1 amber and 1 white, along with a DT wiring harness, installation accessories, and an instruction manual. The presentation is clean and professional, which sets a positive tone right from the start. Now, let's get into the specifications. These 3-inch cube lights pack a powerful punch with a total of 80 watts and an impressive output of 9,600 lumens. That means they provide exceptional brightness, illuminating your path for up to 905.5 feet. The innovative dual reflector design combines spot and flood features, giving you versatility in your lighting whether you need focused beams or a wider spread. One of the standout features is the interchangeable covers, allowing you to switch between amber and white light based on your needs. The amber light is perfect for reducing glare in fog or rain, while the white light is ideal for clear night driving. This flexibility means you can tailor your lighting to suit any off-road or outdoor scenario. Durability is another key selling point. The Auxbeam lights feature a hardened polycarbonate lens and an aluminum alloy housing, making them scratch and corrosion resistant. Plus, they're IP68 certified, meaning they can withstand water, dust, and shock. This rugged build ensures that no matter where your adventures take you, these lights are built to last. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the adjustable brackets that allow you to mount these lights in various positions, such as on a roof rack, a pillar, or bumper. The included wiring harness simplifies the connection process, making it accessible even for those who may not be experienced with vehicle modifications. With the Auxbeam XP Ultra lights, you can expect stable performance regardless of the environment. Their built-in anti-flicker technology ensures that the light output remains consistent, even in harsh conditions. You can drive confidently knowing that these lights will deliver reliable illumination when you need it most. To sum it up, the Auxbeam XP Ultra Series 3-inch ditch lights are a fantastic investment for anyone serious about their off-road lighting needs. With their combination of power, versatility, and durability, they truly stand out as the best LED ditch lights available today. Whether you're navigating through dense fog, tackling tough trails, or simply needing extra visibility, these lights have got you covered. Thank you for joining us on this review of the Auxbeam XP Ultra Series LED ditch lights. If you're looking to enhance your driving experience, be sure to check these out. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, drive safe and stay bright.